Today's recipe is a recipe of a sandwich. A very simple yet unusual sandwich. The name you may ask? Matar Paneer Sandwich. Let's begin with the first component, that is making the filling, and begin with regular vegetable oil. Carom seeds for that wonderful thymol oregano-like flavor, and to this chopped red onions. Let's add in crushed ginger garlic and green chillies. Let's saute this for a couple of minutes and add in turmeric powder along with salt, blanched green peas, cottage cheese or paneer, which needs to be hand crushed. Let's mix this well. And while mixing, you also ensure you mash this with the back of your ladle. Even if a couple of green peas get mashed, that's absolutely fine. Well, at this stage, off goes the flame. What's important is to check for the flavor profile. Now, this is very singularly flavored, which is with the flavor of ajwain or carom, which gives it those notes of oregano, marjoram and things like that. If you have those little packets that you kind of steal some days, you can also push in a couple of those packets of oregano and chili flakes. But trust me, this is just about perfect, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer this with Szechuan chutney or with Szechuan sauce. Now that itself is a major flavor profile. So that with just singularly flavored paneer, just about perfect for a sandwich. For now, what we need to do is allow this to come down to room temperature. So let's transfer this in a bowl. Let's apply a generous layer of Szechuan, and on top of this, a scoop of the paneer that we just made. Let's pack this like so and place this straight onto the tawa. Similarly, let's make some more. Let's turn the flame on, apply a little bit of butter. Let's flip this over gently. And apply butter on the other side as well. Allow the sides of bread to turn wonderful, fragrant, golden brown in color. And then we flip the side again. Let's transfer this on a plate. Similarly, let's make some more. With this, ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful, flavored, quick, simple, easy. You make this for high tea, make this for breakfast, make a quick lunch, dinner, or a midnight supper out of these wonderful Matar Paneer sandwiches. You literally do not need any ketchup, any other sauce, literally nothing with this. Maybe just a couple of chips or wafers. This is me, Varun, signing off. Bye for now.